Hey everyone, Eric with Rocket H. In this video, we are going to install this ranch style bumper on a 2016 Greenlight Ram 3500. This is a great little project for beginners, and all you're going to need to do this project is a flathead screwdriver. You're going to need some glue. I sell this in my store along with that bumper, and a small saw if you have one, a Dremel, something that will cut plastic. Instaset is optional but recommended. You can buy that in my store as well. To take this front bumper off, it comes in two pieces, one here, and then we have this piece of plastic right there that is attached to the frame. You'll need to come in from the back and simply push that off like you just saw. It came off that easy. So this little piece of plastic here is attached to your grill. You're going to have to cut that off with a saw or a Dremel. I'm going to use a saw because I want a nice fine cut. And there you can see we've kind of scratched up that die cast, but that doesn't matter. We're going to cover that up with our new bumper. Then you can take your saw and come right here behind this bumper and cut this plastic away so we can mount the new one in its place. Here we are. I said this was plastic a little bit ago. It is not. It is die cast. You saw me cutting it, and then I cheated and got a Dremel and scored a line right here and then broke off the piece of die cast to make that kind of rough cut edge there. And that gives me just enough room to come in here and test fit my bumper to make sure it's going to fit. You can paint this bumper if you'd like to. I love how that little mesh right there is transparent, or you have the holes in it. The resolution on the printer is marvelous and leaves that mesh in there, which is really cool. And I don't want paint closing that up. Plus, I just like the look of it the way it is. Now that I've test fit it, all I'm going to do is put a bead of glue on the inside of this bumper. The hood doesn't open on this, so we can glue it right to the grill. I'm checking to ensure that the front of this bumper right here is parallel to this axle housing, and it is. Now I'm going to just take another look here on the side. Looks like I need to point that down just a little bit here, which we can go ahead and do. I'm going to drop some Instaset right behind there, and that should cure the glue, and our bumper is now on, and our pickup is ready for the road. Again, if you need a bumper, Instaset, or glue, rockinghfarmtoys.com. If you learned something, share it with a friend. Go make something awesome. Thanks for watching.